Good morning. Very recently, Lok Sabha has replaced some of the existing old laws. And if you look at the screen very clearly, it is mentioning that Lok Sabha has passed three bills. First one, the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita bill. It will replace the Indian Penal Code Act of 1860, IPC, which is a very old one. For quite a long period of time, there is a demand to replace this because of the loopholes that are present in the system. Government had tried a lot, and finally it has been passed by the Lok Sabha. And if you look at the second one, Bharatiya Saksha bill will replace Indian Evidence Act of 1872. I want you to remember the old law and also the new law. And also, new law, right, replace the old law. And what is that old law that has been replaced? That is important for the examination. If you look at the third one, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita bill, it will replace the Code of Criminal Procedure. This is called CRPC, Criminal Procedure Code, but it is called Code of Criminal Procedure of 1898. Very important. With respect to the details of these particular bills, we will be discussing clear what was existing earlier and what are the the changes that have been brought in to bring in the new legislation that suits the needs of India of today. But one possible question in the examination will be like this: match the following. So what is the new law and what is the replaced one? So list 1 and list 2 have been given here. In list 1, all the three new laws have been given. And in the list 2, right on the right side of your screen, so you can see very clearly the old laws which have been replaced. So Indian Penal Code 1860, Indian Evidence Act of 1872, the Code of Criminal Procedure of 1898, right, they have been given in the list 2. Right, in the examination, you will be asked to match the following. Clear? Meaning is simple. So you have to match 1 with A, B, or C, 2 with A, B, or C, 3 with A, B, or C. So this is how the question may be asked. As I told you already, that this is the what is the new name, what was the old name, and you have to remember this, and the answer will be like this. If you match correctly, A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3. Clear? Please remember this one. And in future classes, I am going to discuss regarding all the new laws that are mentioned under list 1 in a very detailed manner. Fine. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next session.